Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Wednesday, November 19th, 2014. As you see here on the NASDAQ patch, we don't really have a preponderance of signals biasing us one way or the other. We did have a volume warning this morning, and you can see that we are playing out with definitely lighter volume. A couple things sticking out though. Altera is having a very strong close, almost 1% above the VWAP and nicely above the day's open. Alibaba's got a downside CPS after having showing relative weakness all day, even though the Nasdaq futures are up 33 handles right now. Stock is lower on the day and below the open and the VWAP. Also, SanDisk was very much in play today. Keep an eye on that. It's bouncing into a key area of resistance and sporting a downside arc. That's for tomorrow. The financials, look at the volume here. Really, really down on volume. A little bit to the sell side here, but again, these sell side signals are on very, very light volume. Probably get a little better picture tomorrow after the FOMC minutes come out from the previous meeting that are going to be released tomorrow afternoon. The energy names, a little bit to the sell side, mostly lighter volume except for PBR. That's still kind of a mess. It's still in motion. RIG is pretty weak here this afternoon as well. Moving on to the generals here, mostly paired off here. We've got some volume in Coca-Cola with the downside RPS, so that's going to be notable. And that's also a Dow component. Best Buy has some decent volume as well. Here's a look at the housing names. A little bit to the downside here. Lowe's, LOW, has a contra candle to the upside. Home Depot had a tough day today after gapping down. You can see the volume there. Transportation names, American Airlines, pretty strong today, but don't have a signal with that. We've got a downside CPS in Norfolk and UPS, but those are both on light volume. As you can see, they have a deviation there. Better action today was in the commodities. We've got a number of upside CPSs, especially in some of the precious metal names. So we could certainly see some follow through in those tomorrow. Right now, the XAU is top gun, up more than 4% today. So keep an eye on those. Potash has a contra candle to the downside, so look for that one to show some weakness tomorrow, as does Mosaic. So they both have volume and the RPS candle to the downside. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.